Hello viewers, today I'm working on a Cadillac SRX, a 2013 I believe it is. The alternator is what I'm replacing today. I'm not going to get into how to replace an alternator on one of these because there's a bunch of videos out there already. But what I did want to touch on is how to troubleshoot an alternator. Back in the day, you used to just be able to pull one of the battery terminals off of a car while it was running, and that would tell you if the alternator was bad or not. If the car shut off, the alternator was bad. Technically that still works, but it's highly advised that you don't. These newer cars have so many electronics, computer control modules, body control modules, transmission control modules. So you got the ECM, PCM, BCM, all these things that rely heavily on voltage. And if you go just pulling a battery terminal off of them, yeah, that might tell you if the alternator's bad, but you could also fry an ECM or TCM or BCM or one of those modules, which can be thousands of dollars to repair. So instead of just a few $100s for an alternator, now you're looking at a very, very expensive repair, which could be easily avoided. With a standard car battery, you should be over 12 volts all the time, even if the car's off. Usually 12.2 to 12.5, somewhere in there. With the car running, you should be at 13 volts or better. Now there's some people say 13.2, some people say 13.5, some people say closer to 14 volts. It really depends on the vehicle. You can check your owner's manual or find out what the specs, you can Google that. But the best way to check if your system is charging properly is to either, well, I use a jump box. I've got this jump box that has a digital display. It tells me what the voltage is. I'll post a picture of it and maybe a link in the description. That tells me at a glance when the car is running how many volts the alternator is putting out. The other way to do it is just with the standard multimeter. You can get those cheap. A little $10 multimeter will tell you what you need to know. You don't have to get a fancy fluke or anything like that. But don't cause yourself a bunch of costly repairs just pulling a cable. The best way to do it is just grab a test meter or something that's got a voltage display on it and try it that way. Thanks for tuning in.